Like, if you just want to be sexy, bold, and in your prime era this summer, may isasuggest ako sa inyo na pabango na alam kong magugustuhan nyo. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is finally another scent talk. After so many makeup contents, today I finally decided to create my summer favorites. So, eto yung mga ginagamit ko usually this summer kasi sobrang init. So, syempre, gusto pa rin naman natin na magpabango at maging mabango. So, eto mga pabango na to, yung highly suggested and highly recommended ko as a gourmand girly. So, kung ngayong summer gusto nyo ang pabango nyo is may touch pa rin ng gourmand, baka isa na rito yung hinahanap ninyo. So, these are perfume and body mist. Meron dito for as low as 200 plus pesos to medyo high-end. So, isa-isahin natin yan. But before that, of course, if you like this type of videos, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, and i-share nyo na rin to sa mga friends niyo. So, ayan, finally, ngayon ko talaga napag-decidean na mag-film kung kailan ganito yung boses ko. Kasi po, inubo po ako. I don't know, every summer na lang, every vacation actually, nagkakasakit ako. So, ayun, gusto ko lang mag-film kasi wala lang, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. So, let us start with this. Yung pinaka-used and abused ko na ipapakita ko sa inyo. Yan na po yung kanyang itsura. So, this is Sarah's Rose Gourmand. Actually, kakabili ko lang nito parang last December lang, pero look at that. So, this is their 30 ml bottle. And use and abuse ko talaga siya. Kasi lately, ito yung ginagamit ko. Like, bago magbakasyon, ito na talaga yung palagi kong ginagamit sa school. Sobrang gamit na gamit ko siya kasi nga, di ba, medyo mainit na. So, this Rose Gourmand is a rose, vanilla, amber, powdery type of perfume. Top notes ito are rose, middle notes is amber and vanilla. Yes, lahat po yun halos is gusto ko kasi yung rose na meron dito is hindi dry and earthy. It's a very delicate, airy type of rose na perfect this summer. Actually, pwede ito kahit kailan, pero feeling ko lang sa lahat ng aking Zara, ito lang yung pasok sa summer. Kasi usually yung mga Zara ko are vanilla perfume. Though meron pa rin tong touch ng vanilla, still ma-recommend ko to kasi nga yung rose nito is very airy, it's just light. And yung type of floral nito is sakto lang, hindi siya ganun katapang, hindi rin siya ganun ka-matured. So, kung kayo is in your 20s to 30s, magugustuhan nyo to. Nung una ko tong naamoy, medyo na-disappoint ako kasi ina-expect ko Rose Gourmand, as in gourmand vanilla siya. It's a type of gourmand na may pagka-powdery lang, alam niyo yung ganong scent. So, perfect siya this summer. And this one, it projects really well, it lasts really long. Kaya ito talaga yung isa sa naging takbuhan ko nung medyo umiinit na yung panahon, kung hindi pa obvious. I will just drink my water kasi una pa lang, nawawala na yung boses ko na hindi nabura yung lipstick ko. Wait lang, ayusin ko lang siya. Alright, so since hindi siya ganon kamurahan kasi medyo mahal si Zara, bibigay ako sa inyo ng reco ko na mura lang talaga as in. So this one is, ayan. Okay, so this is from AK Scent Collection. Ito yung kanilang variant na K17, which is Katy Perry's Meow inspired. Actually, pinadala lang to sa akin ng isang seller. Ayan, nakalagay din dyan na inspired siya by Meow. Pinadala lang nila to sa akin. But I feel like, para dun sa mga students na nanonood sa akin or hindi ganun karami yung budget, or syempre, di ba, bakasyon ngayon, so wala kayong baon. Kung gusto niyo ng something na mabango, patok this summer, pero mura lang, I can suggest this one. This is, as I can remember, 290 pesos only. And then may makikita pa kayong mga vouchers sa Shopee. Pwede pa kayong makamura. So this one is inspired by Katy Perry's Meow. Alam ko sa mga students, pak na pak sa inyo yung Meow. Kasi kahit saan ako halos dumadaan, lahat ng building, guys, may naamoy ako na Katy Perry's Meow. I don't know kung anong inspired yon, pero this one, mabango, maganda yung version ng inspired nila sa Meow. Just look at the bottle, talaga makapal siya, guys, and then yung takip niya para siyang diamante, 'di ba? Maganda. Tapos ito ay ano siya, waterproof, so hindi siya yung nabubura. Gold yung ano niya, accent. Ang ganda, guys, ng packaging na to. So if ito yung ginagamit nyo, hindi siya magmumukhang mumurahin. Like yung mga pare-pareho na bote or yung mga plastic na bote na nabibili natin sa mga inspired perfumes, hindi siya ganon. So if curious kayo, kung meron pang tao na hindi nakakaamoy ng Meow, so Meow is a vanilla, floral, fruity, sweet scent with touch of powdery notes. So, yung original na Meow has pear, tangerine, vanilla amber, and I think some white florals. Etong scent na to, when you smell this, it's a sweet, fruity type of note. Kaya ganun na lang yung pagka-love ng mga bata sa kanya. Kasi sobrang fruity niya. It's really sweet. It smells delicious. This is a fresh, fruity type of scent. Yung fruity niya is hindi ganun katamis, like overripe fruits. Hindi ganun. Just fresh, watery type of fruity. And then on the dry down, doon mo na makukuha yung parang slight powdery scent niya with hint of white floral. Pero if hindi kayo maki-floral, don't get offended by that floral kasi hindi siya ganun ano tawag ito, ka-prominent note. Like, pag dry down na lang talaga. So, if you want airy, watery type of scent, pwede mo siyang i-respray kasi mura lang naman siya. So, this K17 by Scent Collection is something na I can recommend. Actually, gusto ko siyang dalhin pauwi sa aking vacation. Kaso nga lang medyo makapal kasi yung bote niya. So, I feel like medyo bulky siya. And up until now, I'm still deciding kung anong dadalhin ko sa bakasyon. Okay, so on to our next scent is this Victoria's Secret. Dati palagi ko itong nire-recommend, diba? Ayan. So, meron itong perfume version if you want more potent version. Pero, if you are on a budget and gusto nyo lang yung something na mabango and then fresh lang, you can go for this body mist. So, this First Love is a mix of white floral, musky, fresh, and green scent. So, ang notes ito are Lily of the Valley, Violet Leaf, and Musk. This one is super, super fresh, almost aquatic, can also pass as, what do you call it? Unisex scent, if not because of the light floral scent. Yung iba kasing guys, ayaw nila yung too musky, too masculine type of scent. Pwede rin to sa inyo guys. Hindi siya babaeng babae, hindi siya matamis, wala siyang yung parang fruity notes, hindi siya ganon. It's a clean type of scent na almost oceanic, almost watered down, pero still, nandun yung pagiging fresh. If I want to wear something like really, yung relaxed lang, like a shirt, a short, ganon. Ito yung usually ginagamit ko kasi sobrang fresh lang niya, guys. Ang bango niya, guys. At siyang onti na citrus notes na nagbibigay sa kanya ng freshness, pero hindi siya ganon umaasim. So, if you just want a plain, like fresh scent na magagamit nyo for this summer, pwede nyo i-share sa inyong friends or sa inyong boyfriend, ito yung may sasuggest ko sa inyo. First Love. Okay, so if gusto nyo naman ng super, super pag-girl, like dalagang Pilipina vibe, so this is, ayan. This is Bath and Body Works Dahlia. May bottle is used and abused. Nagtutuklapan na sila. Matagal na to na hype, guys. Matagal na to sa akin. Pero still, tinatago ko pa rin siya. Ang dami ko nang na-declutter na Bath and Body Works kasi hindi na ako ganun nag-iipon. Kasi nga, na-realize ko na sobrang dami na nila and natatakot ako na mag-wear off na yung scent nila and then hindi ko na sila magamit. So, hindi ako ngayon bumibili ng Bath and Body Works. And most of them, I declutter kasi nagpe-perfume na po ako. Pero still, hindi ko pa rin to, hindi ko pa rin to dinideclutter. I actually have a backup of this kasi all the time, worth it si Dahlia itago for me. So, ang notes nito are Velvet Dahlia Petals, Crisp Pear, Praline Mask, Sweet Tonka-bean, and essential oils. This one is a dalagang Pilipina scent. If you just want to wear something para mga sundress or a summer dress, pwede nyo to gamitin. Sobrang ganda ng scent na to, guys. Sa opening, meron siyang fresh pear scent. Sobrang ganda ng scent na to. And then, meron din siya na light floral, yung Crisp Dahlia Petals. Hindi siya ganun ka-heavy, hindi siya ganun ka-matured. And then, on the dry down, that's my favorite part kasi meron siyang whipped tonka-bean and musk. Sobrang clean and fresh nung scent na yon sa dry down. Pero still, maamoy mo pa rin yung scent ng Dahlia Petals and then yung opening niya na crisp pear. Very all-around yung scent na to. If you want this on winter or tag-ulan or tag-lamig, pwede. If you want this on summer, pwede. Like, walang panahon na hindi mo ito magugustuhan. So, if you are looking for something na magagamit mo kung mahilig ka sa mga outfit na babaeng-babae, eto si Dahlia yung masasuggest ko sa'yo. Sobrang bango nito, guys. Plus, kahit body mist lang siya, ito yung Bath and Body Works na body mist lang. But still, sobrang nagtatagal nito on my body. And also, maganda yung projection niya. I got a lot of compliment wearing this from students, even security guards dati sa bangko. Even yung, yung nag-aayos sa grocery store, I get compliment from this. Sobrang bango ni Dali, guys. Must try. Okay. Assuming na ayaw nyo nung sweet, fruity na medyo teenager, ayaw nyo rin nung fresh, aquatic, and watery scent na medyo, alam niyo yun, pwedeng pang unisex. And ayaw nyo rin ng pa-baby girl. Like, if you just want to be sexy, bold, and in your prime era this summer, may isasuggest ako sa inyo na pabango na alam kong magugustuhan nyo if you are going to the beach, if you are going for night outs, or meron kayong vacation na talagang pangmalakasan, and then kukunin nyo na yung prime era photo. Ito yung isasuggest ko sa inyo. I think ito yung unang beses na ipapakita ko siya sa inyo, pero magkakalahati na ako sa kanya. This is, what do you call this scent? This is Lancome Idols La Perfume. Ito yung first or yung original na version kasi marami ng version nito. So, ito yung original, okay? I got this as a gift last year nung birthday ko. Medyo mahal lang siya, guys. Pero if you want to splurge, if gusto nyo mag-invest on how you smell, ito yung masasuggest ko sa inyo. I use this on special days, on days that I want to feel like really elevated, like I want to feel myself. Kaya ganyan na yung bawas niya. I also have yung 10 ml travel size nito and palagi siyang nasa bag ko kasi gusto ko lang siya palagi naaamoy. Ganyan yung bottle niya, sobrang cute, sobrang nipis lang niya. If mag-travel kayo, pwede nyo siya ilagay sa bag. Ito yung 50 ml. Sobrang bango nito, guys. Siguro kung mahilig kayo sa TikTok or sa YouTube, napapanood nyo sila Ray Hermar, sila Rai, and then si Catherine Bernardo, sila yung endorser nito. Kaya naman talagang wala na akong masasabi sa pabango na to. So, this Lancome Idol smells like rose and gourmand. So, para siyang si Rose Gourmand, pero magkaiba sila ng atake. Kasi si Rose Gourmand, medyo pabebe pa siya, medyo light pa siya. But this one is really bold, it's really sexy. Ang maamoy mo dito are rose, musky, fruity sweet, powdery, aquatic, and vanilla scent. So, ayan, marami siyang notes, guys. Meron siyang pear, bergamot, rose, I think musk, jasmine, patchouli, and vanilla. It's an all-around scent. And lahat ng notes na yun is maaamoy mo sa iba't ibang like oras or timing. When you smell this on the bottle, you will get like straight up strong rose scent. If hindi kayo mahilig sa rose, medyo itry nyo muna siya kasi baka hindi nyo siya ganun magustuhan. But then, when it dries down, it's the most beautiful, rosy, vanilla, and powdery scent. I super love this scent. It makes me feel parang pretty, ganon. Talaga nakakataas siya ng confidence. So, if you are in that era na you want to be confident, you want to feel sexy and beautiful, ito yung scent na maisasuggest ko sa inyo. Sobrang bango nito, guys. And then, yung projection nito, sobrang ganda, guys. If nasa room kayo, maaamoy ng lahat. Ito yung scent na when you spray, i-announce mo sa lahat. Your perfume is Lancome Idol kasi maaamoy nilang lahat. Hindi mo siya maitatago. Kahit isang spray lang, maaamoy ng ibang tao. It also lasts long. Maganda yung longevity niya, guys. Sobrang perfect ng scent na to this summer kasi nga it's rosy, it's fruity, and vanilla. So, maganda siya, guys. And then for me, yung dry down nito yung perfect part niya. If nilagay ko siya sa hair and then medyo nag-wear off, medyo nawawala na yung scent, ayun yung favorite part ko. Kasi sobrang sexy nung amoy na yun, guys. So, if you want to try this, you might want to check it out. Sobrang dami nilang promo, guys. Pwede nyo ito makuha ng ito lang alone. Yung 50 ml, pwede nyo itry muna yung 10 ml. Parang meron sila yung 30, may 100 sila. And also, meron silang set. Nasa bag ko kasi yung travel size bottle niya. So, ito yung set na yon sinasabi ko. And then, ganyan siya. 50 ml, yung 10 ml, and then meron siya kasama na mascara. Ayan. Sobrang sulit na to, guys, I think. Lalo na kapag bumili kayo sa mga online platforms. Kasi meron silang mga freebies. Like, kapag naka 4,000 pesos ka, may kasamang skincare or pouch, whatsoever. Pero more than that, more than the freebies, sinasuggest ko talaga sa inyo, guys. Ito si Idol. Ito yung ultimate budol for this video. If hindi nyo pa siya naaamoy or if meron kayong extra budget and gusto nyo or naghahanap kayo ng perfume na pwede nyo maging signature scent, eto yun, girl. Eto talaga yung sinasabi ko na it girl scent, like prime era scent. Eto na yun. So, if you want to try this, kindly check out sa ating description box. So, overall, ayun lang. Siguro naman nakapag-suggest ako sa inyo ng medyo mura to high-end. Any of these, sulit naman yung pera nyo and magagamit nyo this summer and also hanggang pasukan. So, kung ano man dito yung mabili nyo, let me know in the comment section below. And if meron kayong suggestion na pwede kong gawin na video sa ating susunod na video, kindly comment down below. If meron kayong ultimate summer perfume or ultimate summer scent na hindi nyo na gustong palitan, i-share nyo naman sa akin para matry ko din. So I think that will be all for this video. Again, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this to your friends.